Watch the arrow turn yellow. That's gonna take a while for it to get here. There it is. The other elevator has been an independent service, so it doesn't work. This is the other at TJ Maxx in Boston, Massachusetts. It's a Schindler. This elevator looks disgusting.